It's funny. Some dates just seem to have this special kind of energy, where history seems to rhyme in the most unexpected ways. Take April 5th. On the surface, it's just another day on the calendar. But, as we're about to see, it holds this really remarkable and kind of hidden significance in the world of mathematics. So, what on earth could possibly connect a 16th century philosopher with a 21st century AI pioneer? Well, believe it or not, the answer is a single day. April 5th. It's this incredible coincidence that weaves a thread right through centuries of human thought. So here's the plan for today. We're going to explore why this day is so special, see how it connects to a huge moment in world history, and then we'll meet 4 brilliant minds, all linked by April 5th, before we tie it all together at the end. So what exactly makes a day golden? Well, it's a day where we can kind of pull back the curtain of time and spot a hidden pattern, a thread that connects amazing people and their ideas across different eras. And April 5th, it's a perfect example. But this isn't just about some abstract ideas floating around. No, this is also a day when the world of pure mathematics crushed right into the urgent reality of world history. On April 5th, 1955, the philosopher and mathematician Bertrand Russell sent a draft of a letter to Albert Einstein. This became the famous Russell-Einstein Manifesto. It was basically this powerful plea from some of the smartest people on the planet telling world leaders to choose peace over, nuclear annihilation. It was a moment where math and morality totally intersected on the world stage. Okay, now let's hop in our time machine and travel way back to meet 2 foundational thinkers from the Age of Discovery, both of whom are connected to our golden day. Our journey starts way back in the 16th century with the English philosopher Thomas Hobbes. So Hobbes was born on this day in 1588. And get this, at the age of 40, he stumbles upon a copy of Euclid's Elements, a geometry book. He was completely blown away by the pure logic and certainty of it all, and it sparked this revolutionary idea in his mind. What if you could apply that same mathematical precision to the chaos of human society and government? This was his big aha moment. He was living in a time of civil war and chaos. So he thought, if you can build a perfect, unshakable triangle from just a few simple rules, couldn't you do the same for society? Could a fair and stable government actually be proven, just like a theorem in geometry? Okay, next up, let's meet another English mathematician from the generation that followed, William Brouncker. Brouncker passed away on April 5th, 1684, and he was a huge deal in the birth of modern science. He was actually the first president of the Royal Society. He's famous for his incredible work with infinite series, and you know what? The principles he developed are still at work today, literally helping your phone's GPS figure out your location with amazing accuracy. Browncker's most famous formula, his 1 for pi, was a real game changer. It shows how this number that we all know goes on forever, seemingly at random, can actually be described by a finite, elegant, predictable pattern. It's like he gave us a mathematical net to catch infinity. All right, let's jump forward a couple of centuries now to the dawn of modernity. Here, we're going to meet 2 more thinkers whose work leads directly to the technology that totally defines our lives today. First up is the Russian physicist and mathematician Sergei Chaplygin. Born on April 5, 1869, Chaplygin is basically one of the fathers of modern flight. His paper from 1902 on gas streams laid all the mathematical groundwork for understanding how air behaves at super high speeds. His work was decades ahead of its time, and it became the essential toolkit for designing planes that were both safe and efficient. This was the central puzzle he was trying to solve. How can air, this stuff that feels like nothing, hold up a 400-ton airplane? It's crazy when you think about it. Before Chaplygin, we didn't really get it. He gave us the mathematical language, the actual formulas, to finally describe and predict the force of lift. He turned a mystery into an engineering marvel. And for our final mathematician, we meet a true visionary of the computer age, I.J. Good. I.J. Good passed away on this day in 2009. And wow, what a career he had. He was part of that legendary code-breaking team at Bletchley Park during World War II, but his impact went way beyond that. His pioneering work in statistics and probability became a cornerstone for the AI and machine learning that is all around us today. Yeah, long before it was a headline, Good saw what was coming. He predicted what he called an intelligence explosion, an idea we're all talking about constantly today. He theorized that a smart machine could design an even smarter machine, which could then design an even smarter one, and on and on. Sound familiar? A truly prophetic idea from the dawn of computing. So, we've met 4 incredible minds from 4 totally different centuries. Now let's pull all these threads together and see why this one shared date really matters. Just look at this timeline. It really puts it all in perspective, spanning over 400 years of progress. It kicks off in 1588 with the very foundations of government, moves through the birth of modern science, on to the conquest of the skies in 1869, and lands us in 2009, at the dawn of artificial intelligence. April 5th acts like a bridge, connecting this incredible sweep of human genius. And that's really the key takeaway here. This isn't just a random list of names and dates. The ideas that were born and laid to rest on this one day are woven deep into the fabric of our modern world, in our laws and our technology, and in the very questions we're asking about our future. It just goes to show you that history is full of these weird hidden patterns, just waiting for someone to find them. This was the story of April 5th. And it kind of makes you wonder what mathematical stories might be hiding on your birthday. Thanks so much for joining us on this historical deep dive. If you enjoyed connecting the dots with us, make sure to like this explainer and subscribe for more hidden stories from the world of ideas.